I am going to explain question number 14 from exercise 9.2, and this question belongs from 11th class maths. Insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. So here we have to introduce the 5 numbers between 8 and 26. So firstly we have to assume that 5 numbers as A1, A2, A3 and A4, A5. So we'll write here. Let A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 be 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that 8, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and 26 are in AP. So according to the question's demand, we have done this. Question demanding that we have to insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26. So between 8 and 26, we inserted 5 numbers. And after inserting these 5 numbers, whatever series or sequence we obtain, that should be is an AP. So we are assuming that this sequence is an AP. Now if it is an AP, then these numbers are named as arithmetic means. So these are the arithmetic means. So by the formula of an arithmetic mean, we are going to write down here. So this is the first term, and the common difference formula is there for the an arithmetic mean. That also we are going to use for to finding the common difference. So we write here, which implies first term is equal to A is equal to 8 and common difference B, the formula I am just writing here, it is B minus A upon n plus 1. Now A means 8 and B is the last term, that is 26. N means how many arithmetic means we had introduced here. So how many means we had introduced here? 5. So N is 5. So this formula we took from the arithmetic mean, an arithmetic mean. So it's available in the Ncert book. From that I am just using directly. So that will give us D is equal to 26 minus 8 upon 5 plus 1. Now we'll mention here from where we are using all the abbreviatives. So here A is 8, B is 26, N is 5. Now after mention that what are A, B and N, we have to solve this. So when we solve it, we will get here. So common difference we obtained as 3. Now for arithmetic mean, the formulas are, so A1 the formula is going to be A plus D. So what is A here? A is 8 and D is 3. So it's going to be 11. And in the same way, we'll get the A2 also, that is A plus 2D, that will give us 8 plus 2 into 3. So 8 plus 6, 14. And in the same way, we'll calculate A3, A4 and A5. That will give us A3 is equal to A plus 3D, that is 8 plus 3 into 3, that is 8 plus 9 is equal to 17, and A4 is A plus 4D, that is 8 plus 4 multiplied by 3, so 8 plus 12 is equal to 20, and A5 is A plus 5D, that is 8 plus 5 multiplied by 3, that is 8 plus 15, 23. So we got the answers. Now that so these are the 5 numbers which we have to introduce between 8 and 26. So the series is an AP. So it's completed here. Now we'll solve the question number 15th also here. So I hope this question number 14th is clear. So in this we had used the formula of arithmetic mean. So once you just go through with the formulas which is available in Ncert, then question number 14 will be clear to you. Now we are doing question number 15th also here. So if a to the power n plus b to the power n upon a raised power n minus 1 plus b raised power n minus 1 is the arithmetic mean between a and b, then so I am just writing question number 15th here. We have to solve this. Then we have to find out. Then find the value of n. So here it is available that it's an arithmetic mean between a and b. So if it's an arithmetic mean between a and b, then we have to find out the value of n. So we have to solve this. So firstly we'll write down. We'll write the formula first. The arithmetic mean between a and b is equal to, so what is the formula for arithmetic mean between a and b? A plus b upon 2. Then we'll write down according to question. Now according to question what we have, the arithmetic, this is given term is an arithmetic mean. So this arithmetic mean and a plus b upon 2 are same. So we'll make them equal. So that will give us an equation. That equation is a power n plus b power n whole divided by a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1 is equal to a plus b upon 2. Now this we got an equation. So this equation we have to solve to get the value of n. So I am going to cross multiply it. That will give, after cross multiplication we are going to achieve a 2 multiplied by a raised power n plus 2 multiplied by b raised power n is equal to a plus b bracket a raised power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1 bracket close. Now open the bracket. So this left side will write as it is, a 2 multiplied by a raised power n plus 2 multiplied by b raised power n as it is. I am going to open the bracket. So when we open the bracket here, when a and this a and raised power n minus 1 when we multiply, their powers will get added because base are same. So here power is 1 and here power is n minus 1. So when we multiply this a and this e, we will get the answer as a 1 plus n minus 1 because I added the power. Here there is no power means 1. Power is 1. So I added the power. In the same way, a will multiplied by b raised power n minus 1 plus b multiplied by a raised to n minus 1. Now b multiplied by b, you have to add the power, so 1 plus n minus 1. So I hope it's clear to you. So if the base are same, powers we have to add, and if base are not same, we cannot multiply, you just write down them as it is. So whole and whole, this a and this a when we will multiply, powers will get added, and this b and this b when you will multiply, powers will get added, except that remaining terms you cannot, because bases are different, so write them as it is. Further, when you will simplify, you will achieve the left side as it is, and in right side this plus 1 and this minus 1 will get cancel, and you will get only a raised power n. In the same way here also you will get only b raised power n, and remaining terms just write down as it is. So middle term will come as it is, and extremes terms are going to be a to the power n plus a multiplied by b to the power n minus 1 plus b multiplied by a n minus 1 plus b raised power n. Now this a raised power n, b raised power n will shift in the left side. So the sign will change. So it's going to be like this: 2a raised power n minus a raised power n plus 2b raised power n minus b raised power n. And here it's in multiplication, simple dot will come. A dot b raised power n minus 1 plus b dot a raised power n minus 1 as it is. So what we have done is, this a raised power n and b raised power n we shifted in the left side. So sign is changed here, and middle terms I wrote here as it is. Now when we simplify, we will get here a power n plus b power n as it is, and a dot b n minus 1 plus b dot a n minus 1 as it is. Now what I am going to do is, I am shifting the base n in one side, a in one side. So this a n as it is, and this b multiplied by a n minus 1 I am shifting here. So little bit adjustment is there. So you have to understand a to the power n minus b dot a n minus 1 as it is. Because we are shifting here, so sign will change. In the same way, a dot b raised power n minus 1 minus b to the power n in one side. So this is a particular adjustment. Here you have to concentrate. Other calculations are very simple. We had opened the bracket and simple plus minus and shifting we are done. But this step is very important, that how you have to adjust it. So very carefully you just adjust. With a to the power n should come. So n minus 1 will come here. So this this a's power is 1. So you don't shift this term in this side. Shift this term. And in the same way, b to the power n is just shift in the right side. So like this you have to make the combination. So once you just peacefully understand this combination, how you have to adjust, then next time onwards automatically it will strike on your mind, so you can get it. Now here, when we take the common, and during taking common you can take only the minimum power common. So among a to the power n and a to the power n minus 1, what is the minimum power? N minus 1 is the minimum power. So we can take only a power n minus 1 common. So when we take common, we are remain with, so just take a to the power n minus 1 common. Now here, from this a to the power n, you took a n minus 1 common. So what is remain? For that you just divide them. So when you will divide, you just see the divide I am just doing here. A to the power n divided by a to the power n minus 1. So powers will get subtract. So n minus n minus 1. So when you will subtract them, you will get n minus 1 minus n. It got untidy. I'll write again. Minus n plus 1. So you will get only a to the power 1, that is a. So what I just want to explain is, among them you can take the minimum power common. So take a to the power n minus 1 common. Now from this a to the power n, if you took a to the power n minus 1 common, now what remains? For that you just divide, that you know very well. So divide I had done here. So when we have to divide, since the base is same, so power will get subtract. So I subtracted the power, and when we will open the bracket, sign will change. So you will get only a. So means from a to the power n, after taking common, you are remain with only a. So write here a. In the same way, from second term b remains. In the same way, here also just take b to the power n minus 1 common. So you are remain with a minus b. Now how b remains here? So when you will divide b to the power n by b to the power n minus 1, by same process you will get here b. Now these brackets are same, so they will get cancelled because they are in multiplication. Now here what you have to do is a to the power n minus 1 is equal to b to the power n minus 1, and nothing is there, means multiply by 1 you can write. Now what we will do is, it's in multiplication, so it can come in the division. So we will get here as a to the power n minus 1 upon b to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1. Now we need the n, so this 1 also we'll write down in the form of a upon b. So like this we can write it. Since powers are same, so you can write them in the bracket, and you can write this 1 as a upon b raised power 0. So this one I wrote like this. Now when we compare them, base are same, so powers must be also same. So that will give us, which implies n minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies n is equal to 1. So that's our answer. So answer is n is equal to 1. So I hope this question number 14th and 15th are clear to you. Try it, and further if you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment box so that I can solve your doubts. Thank you.